तो कुछ करना नहीं रिकॉर्ड करके.
Yes, children. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So here also we are talking of the altitude and an equilateral triangle like question 6. So what I am going to do is I am first of all going to draw an equilateral triangle. So let ABC be an equilateral triangle. I need to draw an altitude also since I am talking of the altitude. So let us have AD as an altitude. Children, in the last question, we were given the side as 2A. It was given in the question. Now here we are not given the side. So I am taking each side to be A. I am taking each side to be A. Now using the same logic, that AD being altitude of an equilateral triangle will be median as well, right? So if BC is A, can you tell me what should be BC?
Half.
What should be
A by 2.
Half of A.
It should be A by 2. And since we have taken the name of triangle ourselves, it was not given to us, we need to mention also that let AD be altitude of equilateral triangle ABC with side A. This much we need to mention. And as in an equilateral triangle, median is same as altitude. This implies AD is median. Therefore, D is midpoint. So DC is half of BC, which is A by 2. Right, beta? So continuing the same steps, we will take care of one of the right triangles now. You may either take ADB or ADC. Choice is yours. So if I'm taking ADC, AD square plus DC square is equal to AC square. So AD square is AC square minus DC square. Let us put the values. What is AC square? It is A square
A square.
minus,
A square by 4.
By 2.
right? Minus A square by 4. Taking LCM, children, A square can be written as A square upon 1.
4.
Now what is the LCM of 4 and 1?
4.
So it is 4A square minus A square.
4A square minus A square.
A
What
square
is
upon 4.
3A square by 4.
3A square upon
can
4.
be written as
3A by 2. Whole square.
A square.
yes. So what is the
Yes.
length of the altitude?
Root 3 by
Root 3A by 2.
2 into A.
So this implies length of altitude, that is AD, is equal yes, beta. Now I want you to notice one thing. I want you to notice one thing. Please make a note here. I don't have space. I'm writing here. We saw that the length of the altitude of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 A in this case. So from here only, keep this important formula in mind that the length of altitude of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 into side. Keep this formula in mind, children. Root 3 by 2 into side. This can be used for MCQs for 1 marker straight away. That the length of altitude of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 into side. And from here only, children, from here only, let us see what we did in question 6. Question 6 mein length of altitude was 2A. Length of altitude was 2A. So if I apply the formula root 3 by 2 into side, 2A was the side, 2 and 2 cancel. Did we get root 3 upon A in question 6 as an altitude?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So keep this important formula in mind. And one more thing I would like to tell you here, as a part of note only. Sorry, I do not have space, so I'm writing here. Now, area of triangle is half into base into height.
Height.
यही होता है बेटा. So from here, can I say that area of equilateral triangle half, if I talk of this particular question, base is my side
Yes,
because all
ma'am.
the sides of equilateral triangle same. Height is altitude, root 3 by 2 side. So what is the formula we are getting here?
Root 3 by 4 side square.
Yes. You may please remember this formula that the length of, the area of an equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 side square. So for MCQs, Olympiads, anywhere, if you have to find area of equilateral triangle whose side is given, apply this formula. Or if you are given the area of equilateral triangle and you need to find side, then it also can be done like this. So I want you to remember these two important things. Clear? So whatever I have written as note, please note it down after you are done with question 16. It's an important point.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Beta? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Devanshu,